Hey Hector, this is Jackie Outlaw with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke briefly on the phone last week about me doing this little 5-minute video of your website audit. I actually wasn't able to pull up anything for your website, and when I try to click on your link, it gives me an error message. So I believe either your domain is down or something of the sort. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and do a little audit of the #1 HVAC website within your area. So what I do first is I go ahead and type in HVAC companies in Far Texas. And this section up at the top is the ad section. So these are all people who are paying for ads. As you can see, it says sponsored. This right here is the Google Map Pack. So this is where the locations are listed. If you weren't part of that, we would of course go ahead and add you. And then this begins the organic section. So this is essentially like where the rankings begin. So I went ahead and went with the #1 individual company. These are all directory links, Andy's List, Porch Ream. So I went ahead and went with All Valley Plumbing. So that's who I'll be comparing to through the duration of this video. So first thing I'm going to do is pull up their website. And if you go ahead and look, you can see that we're going to first talk about the content. So the content is any verbiage or wording on their homepage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take all of this, I'm going to copy and paste it into a word counter and see that they give us about 650 words. So Google actually recommends having about 1,000 and 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Reason being that these all provide opportunities for us to stick in buyer intent and high volume keywords to bring you up in Google. So the second thing I'm going to talk about is keywords. What is a keyword? A keyword are essentially the phrases that people type into Google to populate a website. So what I do next is I go ahead and I take this website and I put it into Ahrefs, which is an online website auditing tool that I use. So I put it in there, and as you can see, for them paying $0 a month in ad, they're bringing in at least like another $1,000 a month in traffic. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at their keywords and see what they have. So they have Plumbers McAllen Plumbing, All Valley Plumbing, San Juan Plumbing, Plumbers in Mission. So they have a lot of location keywords attached, which is really the way to go. Things without locations attached, for example, let me see if I can find anything. Plumber local. So that's a nationwide keyword. What that means is that someone in, say, Oregon could Google and possibly bring this up. It's not going to be beneficial to us. We want to bring in those buyer intent customers, which are the ones looking in this general location. So the next thing I am going to talk about are the backlinks. So what's a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where this website is linked. So somewhere on the internet, this website is linked 51 times. So in order to beat them with your website, we would go ahead and we would add all of those backlinks to yours. And then we would also continue adding month after month to continue bringing in more traffic for you. That being said, I hope you enjoy these free tips. Let me know if you need some help on getting your website reinstated. So feel free to incorporate these yourself or reach out to me for more questions. Alrighty, thanks.